another trio of what looks at first like Booths Real Old Willow, but actually is Royal Doulton porcelain china, made after 1981, after Booths had been acquired by the Royal Doulton branding or management team. And they started reproducing this under the Majestic branding label. Two of these pieces have just got Booths china marks on them with Royal Doulton crown and lion under the TC registered 1981 factory marks. There's the little teacup, plain rim with gilt, London shape really, isn't it? Squared handle, nice base plate, very, very clean, glaze absolutely mint. Same with the little saucer, typical Booths Real Old Willow with the gilt design and hatching, lovely border design, and again Royal Doulton post 81 marks. And the side plate, this has the full, because there's more space on the Majestic collection, Booths Real Old Willow, again with the TC 1126 marks. I think I quoted that as 1128 on a video earlier, so I do apologise for that. But this is in absolutely fine condition and lovely porcelain china as opposed to the earthenware that the original Booths was made in. Beautifully gilt retained, nice glazed condition, rare to find trios in date matched selection and such fine condition. So if you're looking for porcelain replacements or additional units to your Booths Real Old Willow or Royal Doulton Booths Real Old Willow collection, these are a great choice for you, in fantastic condition. We've got 3 or 4 trios I think going on sale, and if you would be interested in finding out more about these, then please click on the link in the description in YouTube, which will take you directly to the website listings. If you're already on our website watching this demonstration video, rest assured they're all in this very fine, beautiful condition. So purchase with confidence from us. Thanks for watching.